Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrap and Happy. I want to show you a quick flip through of my December design team project for nevermorecreations17.com. Lindsay Zanor. I used her, hold on, let me get the name right, hand blocked printed fabrics digital kit, and it's when I saw it, it spoke to me. I know I had to have it. It's got, the cover is wallpaper that I got from Joanne, who is her partner in crime there at Nevermore Creations 17. And I'm not sure if she still has this one. I've had it for a while, but I know she does have other wallpapers. So it's a 8 3/4 by 5 3/4. It's got 44 pages, so it's a small one. And I don't usually do this, but I put I hand dyed this. It was white, and got out my Tattered Angels, a couple of different colors, and mixed them. I think it did okay. I think it matches pretty well. So I wanted to be able to keep it shut. And on the inside is more of the wallpaper, but these are Tim Holtz wallpaper. There's this in the front, it's also in the back, and then in the middle, because of course it wasn't wide enough, there's a third piece, a coordinating color to cover the back. And the cover is wallpaper on the outside, Tyvek in the middle, a piece of oh good grief, cardstock, and then these 3 pieces of wallpaper. So it's very sturdy. It's not, I guess that you'd call it soft cover, but it's not it's not flimsy. I mean, it doesn't hardly bend. So it's sturdy. But here, I'm pretty sure the only thing I used in here was her kit. I'll double check that, but I'm pretty sure. But I like how it is already got the distressing on it. I just think it's gorgeous. So I thought it went really well with this old-fashioned wallpaper. And the journal cards, I made them fabric swatches, since it's fabric swatches. Let's see. I don't know if I can. Here's one that you get to see both sides. Here's what the pages look like. On this side, it's got a big piece of the fabric, and it tells all about it. And this is like old, very long ago stuff, which is, it's just gorgeous. And then, so then the opposite page has 4 little pieces of it, and then it tells, you know, the names and the different things about the fabric. So that's why I thought it would be fun to have fabric swatches as my journal cards, since all the pages have fabric swatches on them. And then I also did little fabric swatches on the pages, so you can still have a lot of journaling space, and but also have the fabric. Okay. Coffee dyed paper, and then the back sides of the white back of the paper, the digital papers, they all have stencils. And then every once in a while we have just a piece of white, I don't think it's watercolor paper, but it's close. It's really, it's yummy. It feels really good. It's thick and it's smooth, and it's real pretty. And I have a few of those in here too. more stenciling, and then these are little swatches and flips. Fabric covered journal card. Coffee dyed index card and coffee dyed doily. And then the little flips. I just thought this was so pretty. It's very understated, but it's very elegant. And I just didn't think it needed a lot of fancy. It just, to me, it's just a subtle, easy, sit down and write kind of journal. So it's got tons of journaling space in it. And then a couple more fabric covered journal cards. And then I cut out some little flowers out of some fabric, and then another pocket back here. And that is that. Lindsay has, these are in her shop. She, if you need them or want them printed, she will also print and ship. Or I did the digital download because I'm too impatient to wait. But that is something she offers if you need it. So do know that. And she's got a dollar section, dollar digis, seriously. And this one is called, again, it's called Hand Blocked Printed Fabrics. And that is that. So thank you for watching, and y'all have a good day.